Hello. Hi, welcome to Dairy Queen. First day, huh? Yeah, it's not that busy around here, but. Drop your motherfucking pants! Bet you didn't see that coming. How the fuck you think we make a fucking blizzard? I can give you fucking gas, bitch. It involves your motherfucking tiny dick. I told you to drop your drawers, bitch. Now drop your motherfucking drawers. We're fixing to make a blizzard. Drop your drawers, make a blizzard. Take out the tiny lizard. This is the truth behind the blizzard.